Friends, I have seen that many students while joining the course of design softwares lose themselves due to the thought of a distance barrier. If you are also one of these, then watch this video till the end. This video is for you guys. Friends, first let's understand what distance barrier means. Whenever you have to join a software course, you first search it on Google about that software course. You get a good institute, but it is not in your city or near to your home. You avoid going to that institute and do the classes. Then you take a course in the nearby non-value added certification and cheap rate institute and regret it later. Friends, I want to ask you a question. If you get a job offer in a big company like L&T, Reliance, Infra, and if this company is away from your home, then will you reject this job offer? Not at all. No matter how far away that company is, you would still like to go there and do the job. In this case, friends, you will avoid the belief of distance barrier, because you know that by joining this company, your career is going to grow well. Friends, the same thing you have to apply when you join any institute for a software course. In your Google search, if you find any institute with good reviews, but if that institute is far from your home, then please avoid the distance barrier belief. If that institute teaches you projects in the form of industrial syllabus and provides you value on your investment, then friends, you should join such an institute no matter how far it is from your home. You will also have to check the value of their certification. While joining the course, it is very important, guys. Often we make the same mistakes. We join the course, but then after we have to face the rejection in the interview, because the course you took in local and non-value added institutes were not industry-wise fulfill syllabus and not their certificates had any market value. Friends, you pay your college fees while doing engineering. Even after paying so many fees, you will not get a job anywhere just above the degree. And you also know this very well, right? You can get a job in the design field only by proper guidance and doing industrial projects of design software. So friends, you must pay attention to these things whenever you are joining any design software course, and if any institute is near to you but they are only providing you command basis training, then obey me, friends. You have to ignore that institute. Take an admission to the course in that institutes where they're taught industrial basis syllabus, that is projects. Even if that institute is not near to you or in your city, you can still take an admission in that institute and learn design courses. Believe me, friends, if you believe me, then you will definitely get a job in the design field. So friends, you have to come out of your comfort zone and your house as well. I am Alok Sasane. I am the founder of Freshers Engineering Community, and I'm on the mission of how fresher engineers can earn maximum money by doing a job in the design field. Every year to around 3,000 children, I gave guidance on how to enter the design industry. And now all my students are earning good salaries by doing jobs in multinational companies. Friends, how did you like this video? And if you have some questions or query, then please you can definitely tell me in the comment box. I will definitely reply to your questions. To participate in the upcoming live webinars, you can register your name by visiting the link given in the description box. If you want to contact me, then you can call or message on the WhatsApp number given in the description box. That's for today. जय हिंद, जय भारत.